There are 5 features packed into the pre-week planner: the gratitude reflection, drawing board, mission in progress, weekly meal planner, and your cue. Number 1 is the gratitude reflection. This is all about celebrating the little things. So you can use it to write down 3 things that you're grateful for or 3 wins from the previous week. The goal here is to end your previous week and start the new week on a high note. When we created this feature, we had in mind that you would be typically planning your week on a Sunday, and so we thought it would be nice to end the previous week and start the new week with a few moments of gratitude. Number 2 is the drawing board. This is space for you to do whatever it is you want to do with it. You can use it to write a long to-do list and then slowly feed that into your weekly spread. You can use it to brainstorm new ideas, draw, write a pros and cons list, write a weekly journal entry. It's completely up to you. So think of it as space to create the feature that you always wanted, but that is not currently in Curation. Number 3 is the mission in progress section. So this connects back to the goals that you set earlier in the year, and it's all about keeping your goals top of mind. Because as we know, it can be so easy to set them earlier in the year when our energy levels are really high and we're super motivated, but then we can very easily forget about them. So that's why we created the mission in progress section, to remind you, to keep you on track with your goals, and also to help you get back on track when you do find yourself veering off course. Number 4 is the weekly meal planner. So there are so many benefits to planning your meals in advance. 1, it alleviates so much decision fatigue during the week, and it also helps you make more mindful food choices. We've created space for you to plan your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and there's even space for you to list some snacks. Now, you don't need to use all the space if you don't need it. Sometimes all I do is plan my dinners in this space. It can also be really helpful to look at what you've got on in the coming week. For example, if you've got a really big Tuesday coming up, then it might be helpful to plan a meal for Monday where you would have leftovers for dinner on Tuesday, and that will make it a lot easier for you. So it's all about taking a more mindful approach to planning your week ahead. If you don't want to use it as a weekly meal planner, you can also use it as a food diary to log your food. Number 5 is your cue. This is a series of weekly challenges that we've incorporated to keep your week interesting. So they are mindfulness challenges as well as challenges designed to help you step out of your comfort zone and think a little bit differently.